going to wait for my water to boil before putting my rice, my washed rice inside the pot. The wedding was lit. My outfit was lit. Hi beauty, welcome back to another vlog. So today is Monday. We are done with the wedding preparation. Like I told you guys, the wedding was lit. My outfit was lit. You can start ordering for your outfit with this number on your screen. Just send us a message on WhatsApp. Then you send us your size and your recent picture as well, so that we'll start processing your order ASAP. I was able to take pictures because I was like, how can I not? How can I not? All thanks to my husband. He asked his colleague that she should help us take a picture, and we got amazing pictures. So I'm going to be showing you guys the pictures that we have from my recent event that I wore. And as you can see, this whole place is kind of unshiny. And today is all about work, 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 work. So all these projects that I have here, I'm just going to, I'm just going to try as much as possible to finish one set at a time. So I have like one, two, three projects at hand that I have cut. If I don't sew them now, I will not sew them again, or I will start changing the dress. You see these ones that I have cut. I have not fixed the neckline. I have not fixed the 3D flower. This one I have not even. Well, that's what is popping. And based on that, I am trying as much as possible to save up and then buy industrial four trader weaving machine so that I can be able to make my ready to wear to look so cute and so on point. So I don't know what if you guys got me. Guys, thank God I was able to get this. The one that I have, the smaller one, I gave it to my sister. My sister doesn't want to return it anymore. As in, oh, did you get Ashia? You got on here. I see, isn't it? I see, isn't it? Gotta buy another one. Yeah, the big sister. As if no, you may go buy another one. Oh, I can't. So I know I told you guys that my what's it called? This is no longer picking up at all when you put it on light, and this is very important in my sewing business. So I'm just going to you know go to this way. Okay, also take when you cheer ban one year cheer. Come on, not gonna not one no me husband. Good and fine. We know that it has spoiled. You are going to be buying another one before you can get something like as strong as this soldering iron. Maybe you will get it like 4, 5 or 5,000. When I got it, it was 2,500 or 3,500 in Onitsha. Just imagine now. Sometimes they don't go here. It's when I'm going very but I don't know what I'm doing. Actually, I'm not hearing you, mother. Yeah, that's what topic, which means I don't know where the issue is coming from. I don't know if it's the wire or the socket. Like others say, what up? Normally, eating and up, wait here for some time, then it will catch. Do you get? But this time around, it's not even hot. It's my hand that is even warming itself. I beg you. Let me know if it's because of this rusted, no, rotting head that is the issue. So let's test it and see if it will catch. Yeah, in the better still no sure. So I'm going to wait for my water to boil before putting my rice, my washed rice inside the pot. The reason is that like sometimes I normally cook fast food. Like I will not wait for my water to boil and I will put my rice inside. So I noticed that we modern women, we are no longer, some of us are no longer cooking like our mothers. And I decided to wind back the clock to start cooking like our mothers back in the days. Like, if you want to boil rice, if you want to boil beans, you have to wait for the water to boil before putting any of your solid food inside. So this is what I am doing right now. So I'm going to wait. So this is no longer about I don't want my gas to finish. I don't want my this. No. No. I no longer do that. I'm going to wait for the water to boil, then start cooking my food. If my gas finishes, we are going to buy another gas and then continue with our cooking. So I don't know why I don't like owning our lights because we are in band A. You see, everywhere is dark. Not like dark. My husband doesn't like staying in the dark. But me, because I like managing stuffs, I normally off any lights that we are not using. If he comes back, he's going to on this light, all the lights here, and we'll be like, let there be lights. He will like, let there be lights. Oh. See, I'm cooking and also washing